Hello and welcome back to the Sandbox. I had a question come in by email last week and somebody wanted to know if they're building a site online, is there a way to keep it hidden while they're still designing it and working out the theme and stuff so that people can't see it. And while we talked a little bit about this in the WordPress Q&A webinar a few weeks ago, we didn't specifically address this question. So there are some times when you're working on a site, you need it live, you need to be able to look at it online, but you don't really want to be able to people to be able to see it under construction while you're still going back and forth and changing colors and adding pictures and stuff. So the way to handle that is actually there's a plugin called the Ultimate Coming Soon page, and we're just going to show you how this works. So we're going to go in, we're going to add a new plugin, and this one is in the WordPress repository, so we can just type it in here and we should be able to find it fairly easily and install it this way. And there it is. We're going to go ahead and install that. So now this is what we see, and this is what we will continue to see as long as we're logged into the site. But I'm going to go ahead and bring up Firefox, so I'm not logged into the site from Firefox, and we'll see how it looks there. So we're going to go into our settings, and we're going to look to the Coming Soon, and so we're going to, here's our turn it on. You want to turn it on. As you saw from this page, you can set a nice background picture for it. So you could set a background picture. We're just going to see what it does with some basics here. Okay, you shouldn't use something as cheesy as this, but this is just what I'm using for the time being. You can also give people the options to sign up for information and some customizations, but like I said, we're just going to play with the basics for today. Alright, so let's take our URL over to our Firefox page where again we're not logged in here. So this is what we see. We just see, please pardon our dust, but if we go back to Chrome, where we are logged in, we still see everything as we have it. So this should be what you're looking for. I hope this answers your question. The Ultimate Coming Soon page plugin. Thanks for watching and have a great day.